Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate or deactivate anonymous posts on Facebook groups. So if you're interested in knowing how to do this, please stay tuned until the end of the video so you can see the different ways and how different groups can react, because this doesn't apply for all the Facebook groups yet, even when Facebook tells you that it does. Let's get started. Okay, so let me tell you first that I've been working on researching how the anonymous posts work on Facebook. And the reason I told you that not in all of the Facebook groups works the same is because I've tested with different groups. And what I can tell you is that in my Facebook group didn't work as the Facebook guide tells you. And the Facebook guide, it actually tells you it doesn't work for all the groups, even though it was supposed to be working for all the group types. Okay, so let me show you how it works on my Facebook group now. Let's go to my computer. And first of all, we are going to enter to Facebook. We're going to enter to my Facebook community group. In case that you don't know what is my Facebook group, you can see more about entrepreneurs information and all that. You can go to Facebook and look for Entrepreneur Mommie Community Group, and you can find it there. If you want to become a member, you're welcome to. So just look for the group there. In this small group with only 63 members, you can see that if you go to the settings our Facebook guide shows, you will go and discover that you are not able to add new features like the Facebook guide says. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna ask to Facebook Help Center anonymous posts. I'm gonna click on this one and it says anonymous posts aren't available for all groups. If you're a group admin, you can choose whether or not to allow anonymous posts. All anonymous posts require admin approval before they are published, even if you don't have post approval turned on in your group. It says to turn on anonymous post, then you will go to your newsfeed, groups, and then see more. Then in the left menu, go to settings. So I'm gonna go to settings here. I'm there. Then it says go below add features, click on the little pencil and next to anonymous posting. However, I don't have an add extra features menu. Let's see. So I have features, but I don't have any other add new features section here. Then I guess I don't have the option to enable it or disable this feature. Okay, however, now if I go to the group type of my group, let's see first if I have it activated or not. So I'm gonna go to home, and as you can see, if I want to post anonymously, I don't have this option right here. I will be seeing this anonymous post option here if it was enabled. I'm gonna go to settings again, and I'm gonna go to group type. As you can see here, it's general group. And if I go to parenting here, I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna click on save. Now let's see what happens. If I go to home, now I'm gonna refresh. And as you can see, I have now the anonymous post button right here. And this is the way I was able to enable this anonymous post. But again, because I don't have this option that Facebook guide or Facebook Help Center is telling me, I don't have this add extra features menu, I won't be able to turn it on or on off. The way that I'm able to turn it off or on is if I change of group type right here. Okay, so that's the way that I am able to do it in my group. And I tried also on my phone, and if I go to settings on my phone, it will happen the same thing. I don't have this option of add new features on settings, so it's the same thing. However, there's this other group that I manage that it's from a friend and has a lot of members. This one, if I go over here and I check the settings option under features, I will be able to see anonymous posting, and the option has a pencil over there, and he has a group type, and his group type is general. So this actually works for him. What the Facebook Help Center is telling here, it actually works for this Facebook group. And you could turn it on and off from here, and that's the way that it's supposed to be working for all the Facebook groups. However, in my group, for some reason, doesn't work like that. And you can go to this homepage and actually make an anonymous post. So that's the way that I was telling you that you can either have or not have this feature, but in my group, it only works if I have the parenting group type set up as default. Okay, so if you like this type of content and if you would like to see more videos that will help you grow personally, professionally, and in your business, please consider subscribing, because I'm gonna bring more content just like this video. Or if you have any requests, please comment down below and I will sure reply to those and make a video if you need to for other features or applications that you want. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.